Well, hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be guiding you on how to submit music to Artlist. Artlist is a great platform where you can collaborate and become a partner with Artlist by submitting your music. Now, before we begin, we have the link to Artlist in the description below so you can have an easy access to succeed in this. Now, once you head over to Artlist, we want to assume you already have your account and you want to submit your music to Artlist. Now, depending on your region, you might find the details right on the left side panel, but if you don't see the option to become a partner, you just simply need to go over to your profile icon, click on it, and then select Help. When you click on Help, it's going to be a drop down where you can select one of three options. You're going to click on Help Center and this will open a new tab. Now here is the Help Center and we're going to scroll down to where we can see some options. For example, you can see right here, Partner with Artlist, right? So if you'd like to submit your music to Artlist, you're basically going into the partnership business where you can have some benefits of having your content on Artlist. So once you click on Partner with Artlist, you can scroll down and see some options. The next option is to click on Submit your content to Artlist. Click on it, and then you have some articles right here. Along with the articles, you also have some links to where you might be going. It says here how to submit your work. Visit our submissions page. So this is where you can access the submissions page if you'd like to submit your music to Artlist. Now you have the option to become a filmmaker, become a template artist, or become an SFX sound designer, all under submitting your work. Now, of course, you might be wondering, where is the submit music option? Well, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see the commonly asked questions. Is Artlist accepting music submissions for the catalog? Now, once you click on the drop down, it says Artlist is currently not accepting submissions for the music catalog. Now, this is true at the time of making this video. However, Artlist opens up the portal for submitting music from time to time. So follow through with the steps we provided, and at your time of watching this video, you might be seeing Become a Music Artist on Artlist. Once that is open, you can click on it. Now, once you click on it, it's going to take you to a new tab where you'll be filling a form and providing the details. For example, it says fill out the application form, upload your samples, and submit. And after submission and Artlist approves your work, you'll be on your way to have your music on Artlist. To begin doing this yourself, don't forget to check out the link to Artlist in the description below for an easy access. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.